Hi guys, thanks for watching the Talk Show. Today I'll be reading you another classical idiom story. I'll be reading the English version, and my mom will be reading the Chinese version. Let's begin. Carve boat for sword.
刻舟求剑。
One day, a man of the state of Chu was crossing a river by boat.
一天，有个楚国人坐船过河，
Due to carelessness, his sword, which clung at his side, fell into the water.
一不小心，身上挂的宝剑掉进河里去了。
Not in the least worried, he slowly took out a small knife and cut a mark on the side of the boat.
他一点儿也不着急，慢腾腾地拿出小刀，在船舷上刻了一个记号。
The person rowing the boat asked him,
有人问他，
"Why don't you jump into the water at once to fish for your sword?"
为什么不赶快下水把它捞起来？
What's the use of making this mark on the side of the boat?
你在船舷上刻这个记号有什么用啊？
He pointed to the mark on the side of the boat, saying unhurriedly,
他指着船舷上的记号，不慌不忙地说：
"There's no need to worry. My sword fell into the river at this marked place."
不用着急，我的宝剑是从这个刻着记号的地方掉下去的。
As soon as the boat reaches to the dock and pulls into the shore, I will jump down from here to retrieve my sword.
等舟到了码头，靠了岸，我从这里跳下去，就能把宝剑捞上来。
This idiom sterilizes those who stick to rigid rules instead of taking changed circumstances into account.
这个成语讽刺那些办事迂腐、不知道变通的人。
And that'll be all for today. If you like this video, please click like down below and consider subscribing. Thank you for watching.